Hey everyone, today let's talk about all-on-4 clinics and things that you might want to be aware of before you go to one of these all-on-4 clinics. Okay, and what I mean is a dental clinic which has been set up with the kind of unique selling proposition that all they do is replace all of your teeth all in one day and your life will be so much better at the end of it. Okay, so my name's Gus, I'm a cosmetic and implant dentist based near London in the UK. And the big problem that I have with these places is that they're just offering a product. Okay, now it may be that this all-on-4 treatment is exactly the right thing for you and this is the right kind of place for you. But my fear is that there's a lot of people who have other options as well. But if they at home decide that what they need is all-on-4, and they go to an all-on-4 clinic that only sells all-on-4 and they're ready to pay their 15, 20,000 pounds, whatever it is, it's very easy for the clinic to be like, yeah, all-on-4 is definitely the right solution for you, and the patient has it. Okay, now chances are that it will work really well for them. All-on-4 is a really predictable, excellent treatment option for a lot of people. But by going to an all-on-4 clinic, sometimes they might not look at the other, what we call the complex restorative option. Okay, so here's a photo of a guy who was convinced all of his teeth needed to come out. He saw some of my videos, he gave me a call, he came in, he saw me, and he was ready to go to one of these all-on-4 clinics to have all the teeth taken out and replaced. Okay, but the thing is, he's young, he's in his 50s, and these teeth, although they don't look fantastic, they can be saved, okay? Structurally, they're okay. Yeah, they're stained a little bit, the teeth are in the wrong place, all this kind of stuff, but that doesn't mean that we should take them out and the teeth are hopeless. So we rebuilt the teeth using porcelain crowns, veneers, and stuff like that, and neither of these two options, all-on-4 or this complex restorative option, are going to last forever. Okay, I hope they do, but everything we do typically lasts for decades. Okay, and that's deliberately vague because it's different for all kinds of people. But if we do a complex restorative option, which to be honest will probably cost the same as an all-on-4, then typically the way that things break or problems that you get in the future is kind of one tooth at a time. Okay, so it's easier to deal with that kind of problem than it is a complete rehaul of everything. Okay, so it shouldn't be that you spend your 10, 15, 20,000, whatever it is, to get all this work done, and 10, 15 years down the line, you need to spend that money again. Okay, no, 10, 15 years down the line, something may break, yes, but you can just deal with that with maybe a single tooth implant or extending a bridge and things like that. Now, let's consider if you had all of your teeth taken out and you had your implants placed, then what is your option after that? We're looking in the medium long term, so 15, 20 years down the line, when implants start getting recession, and we know that recession around implants is so difficult to treat. The problem is, in that situation, you're now looking at removing everything and redoing your all-on-4. Okay, maybe using bone in slightly different areas, maybe using zygomatic implants and things like that. And again, I don't want to be scaremonger, I don't want to say that all-on-4 will fail after X number of years, but it's a possibility. Okay, and with these kind of treatment plans, I always think it's best to look at the long term and not just think of the short-term gains. Okay, we can improve smiles, we can make smiles look fantastic, we can transform lives with both of these options. Both are expensive, both are very complicated options, and both will last a long time. The question is, what next? Okay, what is your option afterwards? Sometimes you don't have a choice. Sometimes even in late 30s, 40s, 50s, we get people and all their teeth are so broken down, there's nothing we can do. So we have to go for an all-on-4 option in those situations. Thankfully, that's kind of rare. But I would always encourage people to look at all of the options, go see multiple people, and if everyone says all-on-4 is the best option for you and your all-on-4 clinic up the road is doing a fantastic deal, you know what, go with them. They know how to do the treatments. So, you know, it's definitely a good choice there. Um, but please spend the money, go for multiple consultations, and seek different opinions on it. And one of them will fit best with you, and then go and move forward with treatment there. All right, so again, I hope you found this video useful. I know I probably rambled on a little bit on this one, but you know, see multiple people. If you've got questions, comments, you can leave them down below. I do try and read everyone's and respond to as many as I can. Okay, so until next time, take care.